Hello, here we are again. Today I'll have to post 2 videos because I didn't post the last one that I made when Mom got her purse. Today's unboxing is the free stuff that I won from playing the Fishland game. So I appreciate all the help everybody gives, all the freaking torture that I am giving everybody just to get my winnings. I don't remember what all I had. We're going to start with the shoes. Story with the shoes is I have a pink pair. Hold on. This pair. They were a size 6 on the Temu website. Fit absolutely perfect. I love them, love them, love them. A friend of mine, she won her Fishland game, and she won a pair of red, white, and blue shoes, and those are the ones you've seen like in my pictures and stuff. Oh, these are really cute. I do hope they fit. So here's these ones. These are the ones I won. I ordered a 6, which is a 36. So I'll try them on for you. Oh, they fit perfect! Ha! Yay! I don't know how to turn my video around. You have to take my word for it. Perfect. A little late, but perfect. So now I got next year's 4th of July shoes. Very, very cute. Very cute. Is there another red, white, and blue holiday before next year? Box is a little disheveled. I believe it's my insulated cup. I have a cup problem. I saw a shirt that said OCD, obsessive cup disorder. It's totally me. Whoa, it's big. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. Look how big it is. How much coffee can I fit in there? It comes with a straw. The lid turns to cover the hole for safekeeping. Yay. Look how big it is. Oh, it's twist. Very nice. I am super excited. As far as dishwasher safe, I don't know. I'll have to get back on the site, back on Temu, and see what they suggest, because it didn't come with papers or anything. But love it. Yay! So you guys, it can be done. You can win the games. I've done it twice now. If you don't mind harassing your friends and family several times a day, it can be done. Bye.